Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell, for more updates and upcoming videos.
Want to use K-Cups in the new Keurig Brew? Continue watching, because I did some modification for it. What you will need are an empty brew cup, your favorite flavor K-Cup, and something to make a hole. I used the wooden skewer used for cooking. Next, just poke a hole near the bottom of the K-Cup. Just make sure the hole is below the filter inside the K-Cup. Next, put the K-Cup into the empty brew cup. Important, make sure the hole you made lines up with the little spout on the brew cup. This will direct the flow of coffee when brewing. Give the K-Cup a firm push to seat it. No big deal though. Just keeps it from flapping down in the coffee machine. Now, just put the whole creation into the coffee machine and brew as usual. This picture is what it looks like after brewing. Enjoy. You may click on the link in the description below to get more info about some of the items mentioned in this video.